The best part of a snow day just might be cozying up with comfort food. And for the coming winter days when staying inside is basically mandatory, my next guest wants to make breakfast the main event. Our dear friend and recipe creator, Amy Richardson, is joining me in the kitchen. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year to you!
You look stunning.
Oh, thank you.
I want to be Amy Richardson in 2024. That's what I want. What was your inspiration here, sister?
Okay, so I thought, we love the bonfires, we love the outdoor snowy stuff, and I thought, but what about bringing it inside? And just having something that's kind of wonderful with a fire, but that's still inside and cooking over the fire.
Listen, you've got a delicious spread for us. Simple enough, though, that you could just elevate the everyday with this idea and this presentation. Can we start with the presentation? How did you set it up?
Well, I thought that it would be kind of fun to set it up so that you could have it kind of going like when the kids are coming in and out playing with snow, so that they could kind of help themselves and just do it as they want to.
Yes.
So most of this kind of stuff is make ahead, but I thought it would be fun to like just set out a paper, kind of mark it all out. If that's kind of fun, then you can have easy cleanup at the end.
I hope people captured the full effect of this table spread because it's butcher paper, right?
Right, just butcher paper.
And you've just done some fancy kind of flourishes and text along the bar that just makes it feel extra in a simple way.
Just kind of fun with a Sharpie and just write like waffles here, sausages here, bonfire, marshmallows, hot chocolate,
What's on our menu?
So I thought it would be fun to do something kind of a little bit more. I mean, obviously there's a million things you could do, and you could do traditional things, but I wanted to do kind of like a stuffed waffle with this toast tight. It's kind of like a 1950s retro sandwich maker.
Okay.
And you can cook them over the fire. You could, if you don't have a fire like this, you can do it over your stove top.
And what is this?
This is like made by Terraflame. And Solo partnered up together.
How
and it's
pretty.
Isn't this gorgeous?
Yeah.
And it's, I think for what it is, it's affordable. It's $69.
Oh yeah.
And it's super heavy and it's just gorgeous. It's got you can cook a lot of things over it.
It's lovely. So how do we cook this?
So what you do is you just take you can do anything you want, but I thought the waffles were kind of fun.
So clever.
These are Kodiak, so I went for, Eggos are great too, but they're Kodiak. And you're just gonna put them you're gonna butter the one side.
Okay.
You wanna butter them because that kind of gives it a crisp edge on it. And then you're just gonna put it into one side of the toast tight. You're gonna top it with jam and with strawberry cream cheese and jam, and then you're gonna just put fresh strawberries on it.
You can load up really whatever you want.
Yeah, kind of whatever you want. But you can cook an egg with this thing.
Oh.
It's kind of an amazing little gadget. You can do everything, but of course,
like full strawberries, real strawberries.
Yeah, like real strawberries.
Okay.
And then you just close it up.
Look at this.
Oh, wait, have to put the top on it.
Give us a lid. Give us a lid.
Put the top on it, do it over that, and then you just put it over the fire.
Oh my goodness,
cook it up
toast
like that.
it up. I love it,
super
I love
fun, super fun.
What's our drink on the side?
I have a white chocolate cinnamon hot cocoa, super yummy. You can just put a thermos out. I know it's like, I don't know how yummy that looks at the moment, but it's delicious. It's so, so good. White chocolate, cinnamon hot chocolate, and then creme brulee marshmallows to toast and put on top of the hot cocoa.
Amazing. And I didn't mean to overlook the sausage on a stick.
Sausages, yes. I thought this was hilarious. And of course, what feels more like a camp out or a cookout if you're not cooking like this over the fire?
A little mini skewer and a sausage, and you're right there.
I thought fun. And I made a homemade strawberry syrup to go with the waffles. It's super simple.
How do I make homemade strawberry syrup?
You just take, put cornstarch into our cold water.
Yes.
And that just goes in there.
Okay.
And then I just blended up strawberries. And whisk that around. It's the
cutest little whisk I've ever seen.
The old-fashioned technique. And to our strawberries in the blender. You can do it all in the blender if you want to and mix it all together.
Okay.
Or you can do it in a saucepan.
Ready for me?
Yep, go ahead and pour it in.
Okay.
And we're gonna just kind of mix that around. Let's add our...
with the fresh lemon?
A little bit of fresh lemon juice in there.
Lady, this looks delicious.
And sugar, and then you just cook it up in your saucepan.
Okay.
And you just bring it to a boil, and that's it.
And it will gel and thicken.
And it gels up and becomes amazing.
Homemade strawberry syrup to go with our stuffed waffles, our sausage on a stick. Didn't mean to skip on the marshmallows. I know you mentioned it, but they're worthy of another look and
they
love.
are so good because it caramelizes on the outside and then the inside is completely soft.
Oh, gosh.
It's so yummy.
Oh, gosh. Amy, thank you so much. You're going to be sharing the exact measurement and recipe for this on your website.
Yep, and we're sharing the syrup on yours.
Okay.
And then we're going to have everything else on mine.
Where can we find you?
You can look me up on Amy Parker Richardson on Instagram or Great Taste Buds on the website.
We'll link you to both from our website. You should be following our foodie friend here for all sorts of ideas and inspiration just like this. Thanks for inspiring us. The snow day just got more delicious.
Oh, thank you.
More delicious.